So once you got the wheel clean, you're going to take your prep pad that they provide. You just want to clean the surface, make sure there's no dirt, grime, nothing, so the sticker can stick on there real good. Then you're going to take clean microfiber, and then what I was doing is I was taking the sticker, kind of just getting an idea of where I want it. I kind of look at the other three, see how the spacing is. I want to try and make sure the gap is the same, so it looks even, so it's not like crooked. And then when I think I have it good, got some painter's tape. Just gonna take a piece off. And when you think you got it, wrap that around the spokes. That will hold it in place. Peel that back. Got scissors, cut off some of this extra. And then lay that down. Then you can come back, take the tape off. Flip this back. And there you have it. Your spoke sticker is on.